Locked out of your Samsung after too many wrong pattern attempts? It's frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, we'll show 9 tested ways to unlock your Samsung phone safely and quickly. Way 1. How to unlock Samsung phone pattern with Android Lock Wiper. One of the most expert Samsung Android phone pattern lock reset tools is Android Lock Wiper. No matter what caused your phone to be locked, and whatever condition it is in, you can use this program to unlock your Galaxy device. How to remove Samsung screen lock pattern with Android Lock Wiper. Step 1. After installing Android Lock Wiper on your computer, select Standard Mode. For most Samsung Galaxy devices, choose Remove without data loss. Then, click Start to proceed. Step 2. Select your device's name and model from the list. Click Start again, and verify the information displayed. Once confirmed, click Confirm to move forward. Step 3. The program will begin downloading a data package specific to your device. When the download completes, click Next. Step 4. Use a USB cable to connect your Galaxy device to the computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter download mode. Once your device is in this mode, click Start to unlock. Step 5. The software will begin removing the screen lock from your device. Once the process is complete, the screen pattern on your Samsung device will be successfully removed. Way 2. How to remove pattern lock in Samsung via SmartThings Find. Open SmartThings Find on a computer or another device, and log into your Samsung account. From the list of registered devices, select the phone you can't access. Click Erase Data to reset it. Way 3. How to break pattern lock in Samsung with Find My Device. Go to Find My Device, sign in, select your Samsung, and click Erase Device to reset it. Restart and sign in with the same Google account to bypass FERP. Way 4. How to crack Samsung pattern lock via ADB. Connect your Samsung to a PC, open Command Prompt in the ADB folder, and run add bshell arm data system gesture key. Restart the phone to remove the pattern lock, then set a new one. Way 5. How to unlock pattern lock in Samsung Android Mobile with Smart Lock. If Smart Lock is on, your Samsung may unlock in trusted places, with paired devices, or via Face ID. It won't work after a restart or when fully locked, so you may need other methods. Way 6. How to get past Samsung pattern lock in safe mode. From the lock screen, open the Power menu, hold Power off, and tap OK to boot into safe mode. Uninstall the third-party lock app or reset its data, then restart to exit safe mode. Way 7. How to unlock Samsung screen lock pattern with emergency call. Tap emergency call on the lock screen and enter 10 asterisks. Copy and paste the asterisks repeatedly into the input field until it becomes full. This may cause the lock screen to crash, temporarily granting access to phone. Way 8. How to unlock Galaxy phone pattern via master code. Power off your Samsung, remove SIM or SD. Hold power plus volume down until the logo. Tap emergency call. Enter a reset code to 7672878, 27673855, 7780, and press call to bypass the pattern lock. Way 9. How to unlock Samsung phone pattern by factory reset. Boot into recovery mode, select Wipe Data or Factory Reset, confirm. Then choose Reboot System now to remove the pattern lock.